Wait, I'm not measuring, no. Woo! Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Okay, you guys saw the title, right? So I was minding my own business, right, during Christmas, whenever they were doing all those sales, and then I saw this, right? This is a dry shampoo by Tresemme. It says it's a refresh and revive hair without water, and this is what it looks like. There's several dry shampoos out there. Why did I pick this one? Because it was on sale for $1. Okay, your girl likes to save some coins here and there. Now, when I picked it up, I didn't look at the ingredients. The ingredient list is way down there. All those ingredients right there that you can't read. That's what the ingredient is. If you want to find out what the ingredient list is, look in the description down below, and also where I put where to buy. Click on it, you'll find the ingredient list there. And yeah, so my hair currently, what is on my hair? My hair currently has hair grease on it. It feels greasy, and this says it's gonna help with greasy and oily hair. I have an event to go to tomorrow, and I don't feel like washing my hair just right now. Okay, I might wash my hair later on, and depending on how this turns out, I might wash my hair then. Hey, have you subscribed? I'm looking at your subscribe button. It is red. It is red like the color of fire. I need it to be gray. Okay, so just click that subscribe button right now. Click it, and don't forget to check out my family channel, DN Vlogs Live, where you can see my husband has been on the roll lately. Where you can see him do crazy things and all that stuff. Very funny. But yeah, so this is my hair. My hair feels voluptuous. I like the look of it. So the way you use this, right, a lot of people have struggled with using it. I've only seen Oyibo people use it, but I will give it a try. Yeah, because 2020 is the year where I try new things. So when you use it, they say you should take it and hold it about 8 inches away from you and spray. Okay, a lot of people were just spraying directly like this and then having residue left over. This is not supposed to give you residue, so you're supposed to spray it like that, shake it real good. Ooh, it smells good. This is giving me some salon vibe, you know, like when you used to go to the salon. So I'm just going to spray it all over. I'm patting my hair to get into my scalp. Ooh, let's make sure we are spraying it away, okay? Away, 8 to 12 inches away. I'm not measuring, no. Woo! Is this good for my health? I don't know. I really don't know. Let's continue. I love you. Please subscribe. Please subscribe, oh. Oh my God. Please subscribe. Oh, but it smells good. Let me continue. So take it to the back. Take it to the back. Back it up. Back it up. Take it to the back. Okay, let's back it up and let's spray it to the scalp over there, like there. Now I've finished spraying it. They say you can spray some to the hair. Okay. This just puts me back into that relaxer days. You know, after you've got a nice fresh relaxer done and your hair is all looking good. Oh, you're supposed to massage your scalp now. So, oh yeah, let's start massaging. I know that's what you're doing. Okay, so while we're massaging, you guys remember way back when, after you've got your hair nicely straightened or nicely relaxed, and the last thing, the finishing touch to that hairstyle is a nice spray, and the lady covers your face with that clear thing. If you remember that, comment below, let me know. And she sprays your hair, you're like, whoo, that is the finishing touch. Now my hair, is it still feeling greasy? It still feels greasy, to be honest. So I'm just massaging into my scalp, massaging. Oh, my scalp feels nice. It's just the massaging. Ooh, my scalp feels nice. So after you've massaged for about 2 minutes, I want to say about 2 minutes, they said you should brush your hair. Okay, this is where I struggle because I'm like, I should brush my hair. Natural hair, don't brush your hair while it's dry. How should I do that? So I'm feeling my hair now. My hair is not super dry. My ends need a trim. Do you want a trim video? You guys want to see a trim video? Comment below, let me know. Say I want to see how you trim your hair. Okay, my hair, my ends, look at my ends. They need a trim. So they say you're supposed to brush your hair, and they say brush from roots to end. This is like breaking all the natural hair rules. Oh my goodness, I am going to natural hair jail. I am going to natural hair jail. Mommy, I got me. They are gonna revoke my natural hair card. They will revoke my black girl card. They will revoke my natural hair card. Everything. What I'm doing now is like a no. I'm still coughing, so I better get my health card and check my lungs. Okay, this is Tresemme, right? Tresemme Dry Refresh. Boy, it smells fresh. It really smells fresh. So let's brush. Okay, they said from no, we're not going back. We're not doing that. I'm gonna brush from ends. But this I can't brush my hair. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, from ends I'm obeying. If my hair breaks, I might be a millionaire if I sue someone. Oh, so just brush the hair like that. So you brush the product in. You guys all know my hair is gonna poof out after this. Look at that. Yeah, that's what happened when I brush my hair. Okay, let's keep on brushing. Woo. Okay. My hair smells really nice, so it smells really nice. Okay, I'm gonna keep on brushing. Oh, brush the back. Oh my gosh, I'm hot already. Woo! Okay, let's brush everything. Okay, please do not brush your hair the way I'm brushing my hair. This year, my hair is gonna hate me. I might end up cutting off more my hair after all these experiments I've been doing to my hair. But yeah, so I believe I've finished brushing to the best that I can brush. And see, I love this brush. All that brushing, nothing came out. You guys see? Nothing came out. Link to this down below. That's why I love this brush. It doesn't break your hair. Nothing came out. I'm even looking on the floor. Nothing. Oh, I do see something. Just this. Can you guys even see it? A few strands. Okay, so this is it. Let me check my scalp. Whew. And then we're gonna zoom in. Yeah, hi. I did something to my eyes. I'm not a makeup artist though, but I'm trying. Blink blink. Okay, so let me show you my scalp. I'm gonna go from this side and see my scalp. Ugh! Is this what it's supposed to do? Is my scalp okay? Is my scalp is not okay? Is my scalp okay? I see some. I gotta wash my hair. So this is what you use between washes, but overall my scalp isn't my friend right now. My scalp doesn't like me. This area looks clean, but that area, it doesn't like me. My hair, if you look, my hair, it feels nice. There's no residue. It does still have the shine. Let's turn around. It still has a shine. Nah, not so much of a shine, but it feels really nice. It feels really nice. So overall, will I recommend this to you? If in between washes you want to try something, okay, let's say that you go somewhere like, you know, let's say your husband decides to do something for you and take you.
Someone is ready to go to club.
Which club? Look at his face. Look at this man. You gotta pay extra. Then you're gonna smell like smoke if there's smoke in there or something. Yeah, this will be a good quick get the smell out. But I use a hair perfume by Lost brand. The hair perfume I use, where is it, okay, yeah, so this is the hair perfume I use this hair perfume. This is what I use if my hair smells a little bit funky and I've been somewhere. So that's what I use. So I prefer this to that. But this has a nice smell and it's like a quick, degreaser. And I find that I've been using grease in my hair. Does my hair feel less greasy? It feels a little bit less greasy, a little bit. Okay, if you enjoyed this, comment below, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. And guess what? I will see you next time. And if you didn't turn on the notification, then you have a problem. Okay, watch these videos. Okay, watch these videos and subscribe right over there. Okay, are you watching? I'm waiting.